Namaste, this is Aishwarya Biredar from class 9. Today I am here to tell you about structure of atom. Structure of atom. J.J. Thomson was the first who introduced us to an atom. Thomson proposed that an atom consists of positively charged sphere where electrons are embedded in it. The positive and negative charges are equal in magnitude, so the atoms are electrically neutral. Although he told us about the atoms being electrically neutral, but the experiments done by other scientists was totally different. As you can see here, J.J. Thomson's model, Rutherford's model of atom. Rutherford wanted to know more about atoms, so he designed an experiment where he took fast-moving alpha particles to fall on the foil. Let's know in detail about it. First, he took a gold foil because he wanted as thin sheet as possible, and it was 1000 atoms thick. He took alpha particles as it was doubly charged helium ions. The outcome of the experiment was as most of the alpha particles passed straightly through the gold foil, some of them deflected by very small angle, and surprisingly among 12,000 atoms rebounded. Rutherford's atomic model failed to explain the stability of the electrons. He stated that all the electrons revolve around the nucleus in a circular motion, but particles in motion would cause acceleration, so eventually they would lose energy and fall into the nucleus. Bohr's model of atom. Bohr gave us two postulates that are only certain orbits known as discrete orbits of electrons are allowed inside the atom. Second, while revolving in the discrete orbits, the electrons do not radiate energy. These are the orbits. These are also called as energy levels. They are named as K, L, M, N. Thank you.